Imagine owning a business that works for you 24/7, doesn't call in sick, and serves one of the most loved foods in the world, pizza. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of pizza vending machines, a revolutionary way to earn passive income. Whether you're curious about how these machines work or how you can start your own profitable venture, stick around, because this could be your next big opportunity. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Bizee, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Make sure to check them out. So, how exactly does a pizza vending machine work? Let me take you behind the scenes of this cutting-edge innovation that's revolutionizing the way we grab a slice on the go. First, it starts with storage. Inside the machine, pizzas are preloaded either as fresh dough and toppings or as pre-made frozen pizzas. The storage system is temperature-controlled, keeping ingredients fresh and safe until it's time to cook. When a customer places an order, the magic begins. If it's a fresh pizza, the machine assembles it in real time, dough, sauce, toppings, and all. For pre-made pizzas, the machine takes one out of storage and heats it up. Either way, the pizza goes into a high-powered oven for quick, even cooking. And in just a few minutes, voila! Your hot, fresh pizza is ready to go. It's fast, efficient, and delivers a restaurant-quality experience with zero human involvement. Interacting with the machine is as easy as ordering online. Customers select their pizza from a menu displayed on a touch screen, pay using cash, card, or even digital wallets, and then watch the process unfold. The best part? These machines can offer a variety of options, from classics like margarita to fully customized pizzas with your choice of toppings. There's something for everyone. At the heart of it all is the technology. Advanced robotics, smart sensors, and powerful ovens work together to ensure every pizza is cooked to perfection. It's this blend of convenience and innovation that's making pizza vending machines so popular worldwide. Why pizza vending machines are a great business opportunity. Now that you know how these machines work, let's talk about why pizza vending machines are an amazing business opportunity. With the rise of automation in food service, more and more entrepreneurs are jumping on board to capitalize on this trend. The demand for automated food services is growing rapidly. In fact, the global food automation market is expected to reach over $12 billion by 2025. And within that, pizza vending machines are becoming one of the hottest sectors. Take a look at some of the successful pizza vending businesses out there. In places like Japan, Europe, and the USA, entrepreneurs have already turned pizza vending machines into profitable ventures. Some machines are raking in thousands of dollars each month, providing pizza lovers with quick and easy access to a fresh, hot meal. One example is Let's Pizza, a pizza vending machine brand in Italy. It has gained massive popularity by offering made-to-order, customizable pizzas with minimal wait times. Some machines are serving up to 50 pizzas a day, generating substantial profits for their owners. First off, low labor costs. Traditional pizza businesses require a staff for cooking, cleaning, and serving. But with vending machines, you can operate with little to no employees on the ground. You just need to stock and maintain the machines. Secondly, these machines work 24/7, giving you around-the-clock sales with no need to close or manage shifts. Whether it's early morning or late at night, your machine is still selling pizzas. And scalability? Pizza vending machines can easily be expanded. Once you've found a successful location, you can deploy multiple machines in different spots without much extra overhead. You could even franchise your business model, expanding it nationwide or globally. With low costs, 24/7 operation, and the ability to scale quickly, this could be the perfect opportunity for entrepreneurs and investors alike. How to start a pizza vending machine business. Step-by-step guide. So now that you're excited about the potential of pizza vending machines, let's walk through exactly how you can start your own business. It's not as complicated as you might think, but like any business, it does require some planning and smart decision-making. The first step is researching the demand in your area. You need to make sure there's a strong interest in grab-and-go dining options like pizza vending machines. If your area is already saturated with pizza places or fast food, a vending machine might not be the best option. Look for areas where fast food options are limited, but there's a lot of foot traffic. High-traffic locations like malls, hospitals, and universities are great places to start. People are always looking for a quick, convenient meal, and your pizza vending machine could be the perfect solution. Next, it's time to find a reliable vending machine provider. Not all pizza vending machines are created equal. Look for machines with advanced features like self-cleaning, real-time stock monitoring, and energy efficiency. These features can save you time and money in the long run. And don't forget to compare warranties and customer support options. You want to choose a provider that will back you up in case anything goes wrong with the machine. Once you've got the machine, the next step is to choose a prime location. You need to target spots with lots of foot traffic, like universities, malls, or train stations. These areas have high visibility and potential customers at all times. Also, it's important to negotiate contracts with property owners to secure the right space for your machine. The better the location, the more traffic and sales you're likely to get. Once your machine is set up, you need to maintain it. Develop a routine for restocking ingredients and ensuring cleanliness. Plus, monitor machine performance regularly and address any technical issues as soon as they arise to ensure the smoothest operation. Now, here's something that many entrepreneurs overlook: forming an LLC for your business. Setting up an LLC is crucial for several reasons. First, an LLC protects your personal assets. If something goes wrong with your business, your personal belongings like your home or car won't be at risk. It also adds credibility and professionalism to your business, which can be very important when you're dealing with customers or potential partners. An LLC also helps with taxes and legal obligations. It's much easier to manage the financial side of your business with an LLC than as a sole proprietor. And if you're wondering how to set up your LLC, I've got a great recommendation: Bizee. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services out there. They make the process fast and easy, so you can focus on growing your business rather than dealing with paperwork. Bizee is also affordable, reliable, and offers excellent customer support. I'll leave a link to my full review of Bizee in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Challenges and tips for success. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to address some challenges you might face when starting your pizza vending machine business. Like any business venture, there are obstacles to overcome. Let's talk about those and how you can navigate them to set yourself up for success. First off, the initial investment can be pretty hefty. A pizza vending machine itself costs a lot, not to mention the other expenses like leasing a prime location, stocking ingredients, and maintenance. But don't worry, there are ways to minimize costs if you approach it wisely. Another challenge is maintenance. You need to keep the machines clean and ensure they're stocked with fresh ingredients. This means scheduling regular checks and maintenance. However, machines with automated stock monitoring and self-cleaning features can make this process much smoother. And of course, there's always competition. As vending machines grow in popularity, more and more businesses are jumping on the trend. You'll need to differentiate yourself by offering excellent service, great pizza quality, and a convenient location. Now, here are some actionable tips to help you succeed. Start small and scale up as you grow. You don't need to start with a fleet of machines. One well-placed, well-maintained machine can help you get a solid footing. Also, diversify your menu options. Offer different types of pizzas, toppings, or even sides like wings or desserts. This will attract a wider variety of customers and help increase sales. Finally, keep an eye on emerging trends in the vending industry. New technologies, innovative vending machine designs, and even plant-based or gluten-free options are all gaining traction. Stay ahead of the curve, and you'll remain competitive. Passive income potential. So, how exactly does a pizza vending machine generate passive income? The beauty of this business is that once it's set up, it can run with minimal hands-on involvement. These machines operate 24/7, meaning they can generate income even while you sleep. The only hands-on tasks you'll need to manage are restocking ingredients and maintaining the machine, which can be done a few times a week depending on your sales volume. Let's break down the potential earnings with a cost breakdown. On average, a pizza vending machine generates about $200 to $400 per week, depending on the location and foot traffic. Your costs will include machine rental lease, around $1,000 to $3,000 per month, pizza ingredients, around $2 to $4 per pizza, maintenance, around $100 to $200 per month. Once you've covered these costs, the rest is profit. If you're in a high-traffic area, your machine could easily cover these expenses and start generating pure profit after just a few months. So what do you guys think of this business ideas? If you have any questions, leave them in the comment and I will try my best to answer them out. And for more business ideas and tips on LLC registration like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.